Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo I just got. But first I'm going to show you a wood carving painting I did. And I'm going to show you the signature on the back just so you know what year I did it in. And this is done in 2011. I did that time Vortex, TARDIS, wood carving. So let's take a look at this Zippo I just got. So this one comes in the normal black Zippo box. Looks genuine. And they are calling it the Color Spectrum. And it was made in the USA in Bradford, PA 16701. And nothing collectible about the box, but look at this Zippo that just came out this year. Gee, it looks a lot like the one right there. The Color Spectrum. So anyway, it's a genuine Zippo, and this was made, looks like L of 15. So that was made late last year. Pretty nice Zippo. I like the ones with the Zippo logo. It's just street chrome. Fires up nice. Got a steel insert. Pretty good sound. That is the Color Spectrum Zippo. Alright, let's do a drop test on this thing. From about 18 inches. Still works fine. Lights up good. No rattle in the lid. So let's do the same test. Have it lit. 18 inches. Okay, it passed the drop test lit nicely. So that is the Color Spectrum Zippo, made last year, late last year. Pretty nice Zippo. We'll put that right next to one of my favorite Zippos. Of course, that's the TARDIS. And this one was made in, looks like back in May of 13. That's a good one. So yeah, that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.